Alright everyone, if you're craving something super refreshing, this is it, my 3-minute watermelon cooler. Perfect for hot days, BBQs, or just a pick-me-up after a long day. And trust me, it's way easier than you think. Let's get straight into it. First things first, grab a big, ripe watermelon. I like to pick one that sounds hollow when I tap it, means it's juicy inside. Slice it right down the middle, then chop up about 4 cups of that sweet red flesh. No seeds, if you can help it. Now toss those chunks straight into your blender. Add the juice of 1 lime for a tangy kick. Trust me, it makes all the difference. Next, a tablespoon of honey or sugar if you like it a bit sweeter. Totally optional, especially if your watermelon is super ripe. Here's a little secret, drop in a handful of fresh mint leaves. This is what takes your cooler from good to oh my gosh amazing. Pop on the blender lid and blend everything until it's nice and smooth. Shouldn't take more than 30 seconds. Grab a fine mesh strainer, unless you like it pulpy. Hold it over a big pitcher and pour your watermelon goodness through. Give it a little stir to help all that juice through. Now, fill your favorite glass with ice cubes, pour in the cooler, and if you're feeling fancy, plop a mint sprig or a little wedge of watermelon on the rim. That's it. Take a sip. Ah, that's like summer in a glass. Crisp, cool, and bursting with flavor. Plus, you made it yourself in just 3 minutes. No store-bought mixes, no mystery ingredients. So next time you've got friends coming over or just want to treat yourself, whip up a watermelon cooler. It's quick, easy, and oh so refreshing. If you try this recipe, let me know how it goes in the comments. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more super simple, delicious recipes right from my kitchen to yours. See you next time. See you.